Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's John Doe. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and hit that like button. And comment down below what I should do next. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup. It's going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm not really that good, so please be nice. Okay, so first I'm going to get my scrunchie. And I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. Because, you know, we don't want any makeup in our hair. And then we're gonna get our 130 professional palette. And I don't have any foundation, so we just have to go with eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. They don't have names, so I'll just show you the shade. And I'm going to get some on my brush, and then I'm going to put it on my face. And I'm going to be showing y'all how to make dimples if you want me to for my next video. Because I tried it and it's really fun. Okay, and then after our foundation or whatever you put on your face to make your skin color, we are going to be doing blush. But I've got a special secret behind blush. Don't use a blush brush. Just use like one of these. No. Use a blush brush. I was just seeing if y'all would try it. Okay, so we're going to be doing my blush. And we are going to be using the shade. It's by Profusion, and it's Blush Boutique, and it is Moulin Rouge. Sorry if not saying that right. And we're going to be using the Profusion blush brush. And you'll be getting that. Only put a little bit. Like, don't do it too much that it's like a pop of color. Just do it enough that you can see it a little bit. And then you're going to hit it twice. And then you're going to smile. And you're going to do it in the apples of your cheeks. And then you're going to be doing it again. Hit it twice. And then you're going to be doing it on the apples of your cheeks. I just got to touch that one up a little bit. And now we're going to be doing the dimples. But first, we got to do the First, we're going to be doing the highlighter. I don't have a highlighter, so I'm just going to be using my Profusion, my 130 Professional Palette. And it's by Beauty Treats. For my highlighter, nope, this one. I'm going to be using, let me see. let's see. We're going to be using this one right here. Wait, no, this one right here.